Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video for Scale Riders. This is 65 Lokes, and this came in today all the way from Japan from my friend Gavin. He started a company earlier this year called Lowrider Model Car Parts, and I mean there's lots of cool products that he's coming out with, and I wanted to showcase what I got in and shout him out as well. There might be some stuff in this video that you guys have been looking for, and I would highly recommend to look him up. I'm gonna put a link in the description of the video, but check him out. It arrived all the way from Japan, and it didn't take long. It got here really fast. I highly recommend, and I mean, here's a cool little tiny little box that it came in, but I kind of opened it just because I have one hand on the camera. But anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. So when you get this, he does hook you up with the sticker, so that's awesome of him. Yeah, so let me put this on the side, and then there is also a little card here, which indicates, thank you for your order, and just some instructions as to the care for what you're going to be doing here. And he also adds a business card here. It's pretty neat. There is the website, Lowrider Model carparts.com, and there is his email as well. Maybe you might have a question or something in particular you're looking for. You might want to hit him up right there. And now we get to the products. So they're wrapped with the bubble wrap here, and we're gonna pull these out one by one and lay them out. So let's just go ahead and start with this first one right over here. Right down here, this is the Star Wire Deep, and let's turn this around, check it out. Look how beautiful that is right there. And these are also chrome plated, for you guys to know. They didn't use Molotov, anything like that. These are chrome plated all the way in Japan. And let's pull out the next set here. This one is the Star Wire Deep with KO, the knock off for the KO. There we go. See the difference here with the knockoffs and without. And go for the next one here. This is the Star Wire Standard. Let's flip this one around. Check that out right there. Really cool. So, if you guys got a lowrider project that you're working on and you want to add some, wire wheels, right now, hands down, these are some of the best wheels that you're going to be finding in the market right now. And then let's not neglect and forget about this limited edition set here. Here we have the Cruisewell manufacturer 124 scale steering wheels by Lowrider Model Car Parts, featuring detailed junkies. Let's flip this around, and here we have the steering wheel columns, heart-shaped rounds, and some photo etch pieces that pretty much put the whole thing together. Cruisewell, he's based out of Southern California. It's a company that manufactures the steering wheels. So this is a really neat collaborations, limited edition. They pretty much had to reach out to Cruisewell, get the blessing, make sure everything's cool with them moving forward. So for the first time, this item is available here, and not sure how many sets they printed, but I know they're limited, and once they're done, I don't believe they're gonna do another run. So that's pretty much it there for that. And then over here, we have the last piece chandelier that is in the package. Let's flip this one around to take a look at it. Here we have it. Let me see. Hopefully, because it's clear, you can kind of see it. Not. Let me see. Let me see if I can focus on it there. It's pretty cool though. But I mean, this is something that you could definitely use in the interior of one of the models inside the chandelier. Really neat right there. But yeah, I mean, these are all some really cool products that we have here that arrived all the way from Japan. Shout outs to Gavin. I mean, there's so much more he has in the catalog. This is like not even a quarter of it. You know, there's the catalog is huge. He also sells flock, accessories for the bombs as well, and just different things in the cars that he does. I mean, he builds some really high level stuff. So, I mean, you just know from seeing his builds, he does quality stuff, and you know, obviously, products that he's going to be coming out with are also going to be quality as well. But I highly recommend to check him out here. And I mean, right now there ain't nobody who's coming out with wheels like this at the moment. I mean, he hands down. Look at the sides right here. That detail. I mean, they just look like the real thing. You know, it's almost like if I was showing you a 101 scale rims, and we just wrapped them up with a big bag of plastic, and I'm gonna have them here in my kitchen table. But steering wheels too, chrome plated as well. So some of you guys might have questions regarding how were these made. These are all 3D printed. Specially made 3D printing with his flavor there, and then from there, he puts in a lot of work, and they get shipped out to get chrome plated out in Japan, and then they make it back here. I mean, a lot of you guys know chrome plating. It's hard. It's hard to get things chrome plated, especially here in the States. And I mean, out there, I'm not sure how hard it is, but I mean, Gavin's making it happen. And if you guys are looking for wheels, make sure you hit him up, or other stuff. Check out his website, lowridermodelcarparts.com. It's a brand new business. It's started off in the launch of this year, and I mean, it's gonna be nice just to see it grow, with all the different stuff. But yeah, make sure you check them out. Lots of cool stuff. Maybe hopefully one day, I'll carry some of his stuff in my store. But for the meantime, right now, it's a new business, and I mean, I think it's best to support directly from him, and plus you get fast shipping all the way from over there. All right, guys. Well, thank you for watching. Just a heads up, I wanted to share what came in today, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.